Hello, this is Ria and you're watching the News Point. The countdown to the Bihar Assembly Elections 2025 has officially begun. The Election Commission of India is set to announce the poll dates soon, with reports confirming that the final decision will come after October 6. This update has sparked excitement and speculation across political parties and voters in Bihar as preparations intensify for one of India's most significant state elections. The Election Commission recently wrote a letter to the Chief Secretary of Bihar, Pratyay Amrit, requesting that all transfer and posting formalities for government officials be completed by October 6. This move is standard protocol before elections to ensure that the administrative machinery is fully in place and neutral officers are appointed to oversee the electoral process. The directive clearly indicates that the announcement of election dates is imminent, likely in the first or second week of October. Another key milestone in this election timeline is the final publication of the electoral roll. According to reports, the final voter list will be published on September 30. Historically, the Election Commission tends to announce election schedules shortly after the publication of final voter rolls. This means within days after October 6, marking the official start of the election campaign season. Politically, the elections are shaping up to be a high-stakes contest. The ruling NDA, headed by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, aims to retain power after years of governance. Meanwhile, the opposition alliance INDIA is gearing up for a tough battle to wrest control of the state assembly. The timing of the elections is also important, with major festivals like Chhath Puja and Diwali falling around the period. The Election Commission is expected to schedule polling dates carefully to avoid any clashes with these important cultural events, ensuring maximum voter turnout and smooth conduct of the polls. In preparation for the elections, the Election Commission will likely deploy special teams to Bihar to oversee logistical arrangements, security deployment, and voter awareness programs. EVMs and voter-verified paper audit trails will be set up at polling stations across the state to ensure a transparent voting process. This election will be closely watched across India for its political significance and impact. Stay with us for continuous updates and in-depth analysis of Bihar's Assembly Elections 2025. We will bring you the latest news and detailed coverage as the electoral process unfolds. Thank you for watching.